students? You all are very fine. Okay. So in my previous lecture you already have seen chapter number 1 and we done the revision of chapter number 1. Today we will going to start chapter number 2, our food. In this lesson, in this chapter we are going to learn about the sources of food and different groups of food. These two things we are going to learn. Okay. So first we will discuss about the sources of food. So dear students, there are two types of sources of food. First one is animal, second one is plants. Okay. So first we will discuss about food, whatever comes from the plants only. So we all are eating each part of the plant in the form of food. Roots, stem, leaves, seeds, fruits, flowers and bark. These all the category of a plant. These all are the parts of the plants which we all are eating, but we all are not eating directly. We all are eating in the form of food. Roots, in this category, carrot and radish, we all are eating. Stem, potato, ginger and sugarcane, yes, we all are eating. Spanish, fenugreek, mint, coriander, this is the part of the leaves and we all are eating in the form of food. Seeds, in this category, corn, rice, wheat, oats, peas and all types of pulses will come and we all are eating all these things. And fruits, yes, we all are eating all types of fruits. And flowers, cauliflower and broccoli, this is the two parts of the flowers. And the bark, cement is the category of the food which all are using, especially when we are frying any vegetable, right? So most vegetable and cereals are cooked before eating. Yes, most of the vegetables we have to cook before eating, but some vegetables we can eat raw, कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं, right? Then food from animals, food from plants, so we already done. Now we will discuss about food from animals. We get food from animals and you cook most of it before eating. All the food, whatever food we all are getting from animals, we have to cook it, right? So first we will discuss about milk and milk product, right? In the most of the part of our country, the milk of goat, cows and buffaloes are used, है ना? कौन से milk use करते हैं animals का? Goat, cow and buffaloes. But people those who are living in desert area, they are using camel milk, and people those who are living mountain areas, they are using the yak milks. Some milk product we all are using like cheese, curd, butter, buttermilk and paneer. Okay, this is the category of milk, right? Now we will discuss about the eggs. Yes, hen and duck, these two are giving us the eggs, and egg is the rich source of the protein. Now honey we get from honeybee and it is used as a sweetener. इसको sweet के रूप में भी use करते हैं, and as an antiseptic when we all suffer with cough and cold, then we all are using as an antiseptic also. Okay, meat, we also eat the fish of goat, cock, fish. People those who are living in coastal areas, they are enjoying the seafoods. वो समुद्र के खाने का enjoy करते हैं. Coastal area means समुद्री किनारा, right? So food like fish, crabs, lobster and prawns, they all are eating these types of food, right? So food habits, yes, there are 4 types of people. They adopted 4 kinds of food habits. First one is vegetarian, second one is non-vegetarian, third is vegetarian, fourth is vegan. People those who are not eating meat, they all are eating the fruits and the milk product. We call them the vegetarian. And non-vegetarian means people those who are eating the non-vegetarian means egg, meat as well as vegetable and fruits, we call them non-vegetarian people. And vegetarian, some pupils are eating eggs but not eating meats, so we call them vegetarians. And some vegetarian do not eat animals product like milk and things which is made by the milk, we call them the wagons. Okay, so this is all about the food sources. There are two food sources, animals and plants, and food habits. So there are four category of food habits. Okay, now we will discuss about the group of food groups. In this category we will discuss about the nutrients, है ना? When we involve all kind of proteins, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals and the fiber. So it means we all are getting the all types of nutrients. In this category first we will discuss about the protein. Yes, pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, egg, fish, meat. These all are the contents of the protein, and protein is very required for our body. When we get hurt, when we get injured, then protein is help to repair our body. Protein is the source we can use to repair our injured part. And protein को हम grow food के नाम से भी जानते हैं, grow food. Okay, then carbohydrate. Yes, carbohydrate we get in rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, beetroot, bread. These are the rich sources of carbohydrate, and when we will eat the carbohydrate, then definitely our skin will glow, our skin will shine. Okay, so carbohydrate, rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread and beetroot, these sources to get the carbohydrates, right? और carbohydrates को हम go food के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Okay, now fats. Butter, ghee, oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil. These all are the food item we know as the fats. And fats gives our body to energy to work and play. They help to keep our skin soft and glowing. When we are I spoke about the carbohydrates. Yes, carbohydrates में rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, beetroot. And carbohydrate gives us energy to work and play. Okay, carbohydrate से our skin will not glow. Sorry, I spoke wrong. Okay, now fats. We get fats from butter, oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, and these all are the contents of the fats. And when we will have the fat, when we will involve the fat is in our diet, then what fat gives us what? Yes, fat keeps our body warm, and fats glow our skin. When we involve the fats is in our diet, then definitely we get the soft and glowing skin, right? और fats को glow food के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Now we will discuss about vitamins. Yes, all kinds of fruits, all kinds of vegetables are rich sources of vitamins, and when we involve all the vegetables and all the fruits is in our diet, then definitely we protect ourselves from the diseases. That's why your teachers and your parents are telling to you that always eat all types of food and always eat all types of vegetables. Now we will discuss about the minerals. Yes, calcium and iron are the two important minerals needed by the body, and iron makes our blood red. Iron makes our blood red, and Spanish is the rich source to get iron. When we will talk about the calcium, then milk is the big source to get the calcium, and when we will drink at least a glass of milk every day, then definitely we get strong bones and strong teeth. Okay, now we will discuss about fiber. Fiber helps to digest the food. Whatever food we all are eating, it should be digested, and fiber helps to digest the food. It clean our stomach regularly. When we involve the fiber is in our diet, then it helps to clean our stomach regularly, and salad is the good source of fiber. Salad is the good source of fiber. Okay, now we will discuss about the balanced diet. A diet that contains all the nutrients needed by the body is in right amount is called a balanced diet. A balanced diet keeps us healthy and help us to grow. Milk is the complete food. It is rich in the protein, fat, sugar, vitamins and minerals. When we will talk about the balanced diet, it means what? It means we are involving all kinds of nutrients is in our plate, is in our thali, is in our diet. It means we all are having the proteins. It means we all are having the carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and the fibers. It means we involve all these things is in our diet. It means we all are having the pulses, the milk, the spinach, the all types of fruits and vegetables and milk and all these things we involved is in our diet. Okay, then water. Yes, water is the precious part of our diet. We must drink the plenty of water every day. We have to drink at least 8 glasses of water or more than 8 glasses of water, because when we will drink the plenty of water, all the waste material of our body, it removes our body from the form of sweat and urine. So it is necessary to have the plenty of water every day. Okay, now we will discuss about the popular dishes of some states. Yes, makke ki roti, sarson ka saag is very famous, is in Punjab. Dal bati churma, this delicious food is very famous, is in Rajasthan. Dhokla is very famous, is in Gujarat. Momos are very famous, is Mizoram. Idli, dosa and sambar, this is the spiceless food is famous, is in South India. Biryani is very famous in Hyderabad. Fish curry and rice, it is very famous, is West Bengal. Pav bhaji and Srikhand, these two are the main important food of the famous food of the Maharashtra. Right, so dear students, here we are completing our chapter. We discuss about all the things or whatever food we all are eating our day-to-day life. We discuss all the things, है ना? Sources of food. So there are 2 sources of food, plants and animals. We discuss all these things. Then food habits. There are 4 types of people. They adopted 4 kinds of food habits: vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegetarian and vegans. Now group of foods is called nutrients. In this category we learnt about the protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals and fibers. Now we discuss about the balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet that contains all the nutrients in the proper amount, right amount. That is called the balanced diet. And water is the most precious part of the diet. We have to drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses of water or more than 8 glasses of water in a day. Then we discuss about some popular dishes of some states, है ना? Okay, now we will discuss about tick the correct option. Orally we will do everything because you already done in your previous lectures. Tick the correct option. People drink camel milk in desert areas. Those who are living in desert areas, they are drinking camel milk. People drink yak milk in mountain areas. Which one is used as a sweetener and also as an antiseptic? Honey, sugar, milk. Yes, honey is the right answer. Which one help our body to grow and repair when we get injured? Carbohydrate, protein, fats. Yes, protein is the right answer. Vitamins are found in fruits and vegetables. Okay, then find the partner. This so you do very nicely. There are 2 columns. Column number A, names of the states are written over here: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Mizoram, West Bengal. And column number B, name of the famous foods are written over here. So Maharashtra, what is the famous food of Maharashtra? Srikhand and Pav bhaji. What is famous food of Gujarat? Dhokla. What is famous food of Punjab? Makke ki roti, sarson ka saag. What is famous food of Mizoram? sorry, momos, and West Bengal fish curry is very very famous. Fill in the blanks with the words to complete the sentence. The dash diet includes all kinds of nutrients. So right answer is balanced diet. When we involve the balanced diet, includes is in all kinds of nutrients. Nutrients like protein, carbohydrate, fat, minerals, fiber and vitamins. Dash and dash are the sea as an eaten food. Fish, crab and prawns. These are the kinds of the seafoods. Carbohydrate are essential for giving dash to the body. Carbohydrate gives the energy to work and play of our body. Dash are also known as the grow food. Grow food. Yes, grow food is written. So grow food protein होता है, right? And dash are also important minerals of the body. Iron and calcium. These two important minerals of the body. So here we are finishing the chapter. See beta, this time I am doing very fast because this is the revision and I don't have much of time to go in very deeply. मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा समय नहीं है क्योंकि आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स आने वाले हैं. That's why I took very fast all these things and I already covered in PT1 ना. PT1 में भी ये पूछ चुकी हूँ, इसलिए I go very fast. Okay, so question and answer are not going to come in your half yearly exam. Then we are not going to discuss about the question and answer. If you want to learn, if you want to read, then you can do it, no problem. Okay, so here we are finishing the chapter number 2, our food. In my next lecture we will discuss about the chapter number 3, our dresses. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you all. Keep reading, keep watching and keep learning. Bye.